Well, since everyone's giving away muscle cars, I figured, well, I can give away muscle cars too. So here's the classic muscle cars we're giving away. And a popcorn basket and a t-shirt, some stickers. Collectible Matchbox cars, subscriber, follower, giveaway basket. Just a thank you from us to you guys for following us. You like us on Instagram, you get a shot. You like us on Facebook, you get a shot. You like us on YouTube, you get a shot. And all three, you get 3 shots. Appreciate you guys, and hopefully one of you lucky patrons will win this here muscle car basket giveaway. We're on a budget, guys. Don't criticize.